Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing mixture problems. So, a store sells raisins and nuts. Raisins cost $3.50 while nuts cost $4.75 per kg. How much of each do I need to buy to have a 20 kg mixture costing $4 per kg? So one thing we know we know two things about the mixture. It's 20 kg and it costs $80 all in total. So let's create a chart. So we have 4 columns. Actually, no, we have 3 columns. R for raisins. N for nuts, and M for mixture. So this is number of kg. This is price per kg. This is the cost. So we know number of kg for, let's start with mixture, the bottom to top, is 20. It costs $4, so that's an $80 for the whole thing. So raisins, we don't know we're trying to find the amount of kg. So x and 20 minus x. So if we have 12 raisins, or let's say we have 8 raisins, and nuts, we'll have 12, so we have 20 if you add all these up, raisins and nuts. So the price is $3.50, and for nuts it's $4.75. So 3.5x 4.75 20 minus x. It's gonna multiply these. Sorry, it's a little unclear. So now we just need to add them. So 3.5. Since we're trying to make a mixture, we're adding raisins in that. So 3.5x plus 4.75, and then 20 minus x equals to 80. Now since we have all of our information done in the equation, we can erase this chart. Okay, so now we should solve the equation. So let's multiply everything by 100, so we can have, so our numbers are easier. So we have 35x plus 475 times 20 minus x equals to 8,000. So now we multiply 35x plus and 475 times 20 equals 9,500 minus 475x, which equals to 8,000. So now if we add this side, then we would get, and if you combine like terms and we subtract 9500, and then our final equation for this would be negative 125x equals to negative 150. If we divide both sides by negative 1, and then we would get 125x equals to 1,500, and then if we divide by 5, so 25x equals to 300. Divide 25 on each side, x equals to 12. So if we look back in our chart, raisins has 12. Raisin is x and nuts equals 20 minus x. So we have 12 kg 12 kg raisins and 8 kg of nuts. The check is left to you. So next question. An auto mechanic has 300 milliliters of battery acid that is 60% acid. He must add water to the solution to dilute it so it's only 45% acid. How much water should he add? So we can make a chart again. So 3 columns. So you have original, water, and a new solution. So total amount for the original solution is 300 milliliters. And then the amount of water that he has to add is X. And new solution 300 plus X. So the amount of acid the original solution has is 60%. We're trying to dilute it, water. We're trying to dilute it, so we're subtracting. So water has 0% acid. The new solution should only have 45% acid. And so then our amount of acid is since this is percent, 0.6 times 300. 0. X times 0 equals to 0. Then 0.45. 300 plus X. So, original amount of acid plus added acid equals the new amount of acid. So, 6 over 10, 3/5 times 300 equals to 180. So that means 180. There's 180 milliliters of acid in the first solution, so 180 plus, and then the amount of water added is 0, so 180. And then before we could multiply everything by 100, but I didn't. So we have 180 equals, and then it doesn't equal to 450. It actually should equal to this equation. So 0.45 300 plus X. To erase this chart. So 0.45 equals to 45 over 100, which equals to 9 over 20, and we're multiplying by 300 for 1. So then we have 15 times 9, which equals 135. So we have 135 plus 0.45x, so 9 over 20x. So if you subtract 135, then we have, erase all this, 9 over 20 x equals to 45. Multiply by 20 on both sides. You have 909x. But divide both sides by 9 and you get x equals to 100. So that means the answer is 100 milliliters of water. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you.